if yeast is considered a fungus, can it be used in bread making? Well, when I joined the temple, we were told no. You don't use yeast. It's not offerable to Krishna. It's not in Vedic cuisine, that's for sure. Can it be used in bread making? Well, of course, yeah, it can be. But whether it's offerable to Krishna or not is something. Then sometimes devotees get around that by doing sourdough bread, but sourdough is also sourdough is also some kind of fungus. Well, for that matter, if you give it another name, so is yogurt or idli mix. What about achar? That's also fermented. Pickles. So this kind of thing is the kind of thing that pundits will argue about. And in the meantime, some may use it and some may not. Srila Prabhupada, he personally promoted what we could call Indian foods. Where did we get in it? Why is it in ISKCON that we have things like gulab jamuns and pakoras? Prabhupada introduced it all, and that was the standard diet in ISKCON at least up till 1975 at Bhaktivedanta Mana, when Dhanavir Goswami introduced every evening having apple crumble and custard, and it was considered somewhat, maybe a bit of a deviation there. You're not allowed to do that. But he did it on the plea that, well, we have new bhaktas and they need something which they can relate to. And Narahari Prabhu, who's now in Australia, he scandalized everyone on his traveling because on his traveling Sankirtan party, they would have Taisa and cornflakes and all kinds of non-devotional items. But Srila Prabhupada he introduced the kind of food that Srila Prabhupada liked. That was that Krishna, he liked it and Krishna liked. And that was a major part of his devotee recruitment, is having the kind of food that Krishna liked. Srila Prabhupada prepared. I better go.